Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Check it out. I got a small leak on this bathroom faucet. So to figure out which one is leaking, just come down here and shut off the valves one at a time. And when it stops leaking, you know which one is the side that's doing it. For me, it's gonna be the right side. So just shut off. You turn them to the right to shut them off. And now we're gonna take off the handle. The handle's held down by this little Allen key. So let's find one that fits. All right guys, I found one that fits. Don't ask me the size. I got a ton of these and they'll mix all together. Before you do this, make sure your stopper is fully down. Mine doesn't go all the way down, so put a towel. So in case you drop something, you don't lose it. So loosen up this little Allen screw. And this thing should come up. I guess it has to come out all the way. There you go. Now this guy comes up. There you go. Now take a wrench and just loosen this up. And now this valve should come up. There you go. All right, this is what the valve looks like. You could just replace the whole thing, or buy one of these repair kits. And this is, made for Delta. So there's a little gasket in here you need to take out. All right, guys. So you have a gasket and a spring. See that? All right, just take the spring and one of these gaskets. So put them together and you're gonna stick them back in here. And let's see. I was hoping there was an O-ring. There's no O-ring to this. So I'm just gonna reuse the other one. I hope it works. So throw a little bit of grease on there. Make sure it's some silicone-based grease. And you're gonna throw some on this guy, the rubber piece. And I'll probably put some right around here, this O-ring, before I put it back in. All right, guys, I put a little grease on there already, so I'm just gonna grab it, stick it in there, and make sure it sits flat. Yep, the spring went in, but not the rubber. There you go. Good. All right, when you put the gasket, you can't see it, but make sure it's laying flush. All right, now you can put the valve. It has its tabs on the side, and make sure it goes into these openings here. So, and put it in the same way you took it out. So, don't flip it this way like that. There you go. That break down, I need a new valve. All right, so throw this on. And then tighten it up. And when you tighten this up, don't go nuts torquing it. There you go. All right, now you can put this guy on. If you look in there, see how there's a hole, and then to the right there is flat. That part is flat. It's gonna go towards this part. See, this is a flat part here. So let's see. The flat part goes this way. Let's see. Make sure it sits. Something like that. Now, you could flip your screw. Now all you have to do is open the valves down here. Let's take this out of here. All right. Open this. Open this. There you go. See if it works. All right. That's working. Let's see if it's still leaking. No, so when it's leaking from, hold on, let me open this. That's the next thing I gotta fix. So if it's leaking from here, you change that little rubber thing with the spring I told you about. If it's leaking from here, then you change the valve, okay? Looks good, I don't see any leakage. Give it a second. Yeah, that's good. So it's a simple fix. You know, all you need is a little Allen wrench. This costs about $2 at Lowe's. I'll leave a link in the video description in case you don't want to go out. And that's it. Maybe a little bit of this grease. I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.